So for the NFP news, as the result dropped just 10 minutes ago, so we can see here for USD it become positive, guys. As you can see, the unemployment rate, non-farm employment, and also both CAD for employment change and employment rate, both of them they become positive, which is 6.7 and 90.9 thousands. So for USD, that is why, guys, USD it went a strong bullish. So basically, if I give you update the market, yes, it is possible, guys, for you dollar to reach this higher level, because here is the where the we have a strong sell area, by the way, in this level, so we have to be careful. So USD, of course, I have been analyzing a lot, and then yes, the last time we sent a strong bullish in this level, so I guess it was 26 September 2024, and now we are already in January 2025. US I'm expecting to reach this higher level, so it is possible USD to continue in this area, because it's also the top is really an important area. So let's see how this, because as the new news of dollar become positive, yes, it is quite lovely, and we are expecting for dollar to continue. But for me personally, when I see this structure, guys, when I draw this trend line, I was before the news, I was expecting it. I was thinking that maybe USD it is possible to drop in here, but it didn't happen. So now we can see it already bricked on here. So that is why if it continues, the only place that it can reach will be in this higher level, or because like this is really a good structure. So and this ascending channel, I was expecting for dollar to drop. By the way, be careful, sometimes it happen in the market when like now, this it can be sometimes a fake break, and you can see the price pull back and gives you correction, and then goes to downside. So any update, of course, I will let you know. And here we had multiple pairs like Euro USD, and it's all is ready now. Euro USD it 100. So but when you see all the pairs for Euro USD JBP, all of them they are in lower levels, guys. Okay, so there's a huge potential these pairs can be strong, because if they didn't break this level, it is possible for them to continue. But for me personally, I was expecting some such market for Euro USD. So let's see how they will end up. And here we have also JBP USD. So and still you can see it shows a strong bullish, and the news drop it for 127 pips. So gold, actually gold was moving lovely. So I was expecting gold first target 347 pips, but now when the news came, it dropped for almost 100 and almost 150. But now you see it's putting back. And if I show you one thing very clear, okay, something very clear that you can see for the news. For example, unemployment claim before it was the forecast was 4.22, and now it become 4.21. Okay, and also for non-farm employment change, before it was 160K for as a forecast and become 250. So only the only one that become same number as forecast is average hourly earnings. Um, let's see for USD, guys, maybe as we get different numbers, maybe because of that, but in 1 or 2 hours, of course, we will know that we know the real direction of the market. But as it seems right now, we are still expecting to see them downtrend. And even you can hear for gold I was expecting before the news to reach this level, 490 pips. So if gold they continue, okay, gold will have only two phase, guys. If it continues to sell, yes, we are expecting until this target too. Or if we see till today, gold breaks this above trend line, yes, the next stop that we will look will be in here for our target and that means USD will we will get a rejection here and then yes then that's why we will get some downtrend market for dollar. So any update I will let you know. USD CHF also is same as dollar, is a Polish market, and the USD still shows bearish market as well for USD JPY basically. Even like when you see the structure of USD JPY, it is quite really amazing. But people, if you draw this structure, that means you can see exactly USD JPY and dollar in the same structure basically. So it is actually possible for a USD JPY to drop 280 pips and the target will be here. So and now here we have another correction. So let's see what will happen on this market. Euro NZD also I added on the list, but before the news, it still didn't break that. It touched on our line. That is when I decided that it is time to short for Euro NZD only for 158 pips. Let's see how is also it will run. And lastly, and also JBCHF. JBCHF is I've been following is really the structure of it is absolutely magnificent. So we are total expecting 142 pips. Already it dropped 160. So we will see how it will run as well. And the CHF is the same as it has a positive coloration with JBP CHF, and we can see as well. But this one I'm expecting 105. The last time we set it here after this impulse we got a running for here 41 pips. So this pair actually is very slow compared to others. So any update of it I will let you know for those who's trading. Lastly I want to show you CAD JPY. CAD JPY is the structure. Oh my goodness. Okay, I love this structure of CAD JPY. So we got here an impulse, we got larger correction, we got impulse, we got correction. So now before the news it was very clear that it will be a Polish market. Now we already got 70 pips, but our target is 207 on this double top. So now is moving lovely. Any update I will let you know, guys. That was for the biggest news on the market for this month. Usually NFP drop is like the first week of the month, and now that's the result that we receive it for USD so and CAD, both of them. So that's the end of the video. Any update I will let you know, guys. So don't forget to subscribe the channel in order to get the future insights.